We Asante Achem watch, ye dear, when him say Asante Achem do my dear, ye knew how grow. Sabri, Honorable Michael, or say Mensa, or Te France, Gassif, or non air president, Oga, or non air president, or Befia Kakra, Ebesra Manfo. I can't reckon a crab in our noble player too, until Yabeshiano Airport any day in Como. Uber Fiona Asante Achem to say.
Well, Asante Achem, they said they wouldn't know. Bia, Nijian Kwan. Asante Achem, Bia, said they wouldn't know. I mines from wood massive mines, or been massive mines. I'll call the Muswa, you're one of the finest Ghanaian hospitals. I will go hospital. Yeah. So call even Asante Achem, one of our capitals. I will go now. Asante Achem no far. You have a lot of secondary schools.
Yeah.
I will remind you of Biabra. San Marco College, Upper Ogo State. They're not for one. So, San Wasanya University,
Presbyterian University.
When you're nursing training, midwifery training, as a training college.
Yeah, teacher training.
Let's name them.
Yeah.
So, when just a Chimno, I have a beer, a nipper and turn home, but you will never be to show. And see, let me tell you, can Chim today. Still developing.
Okay.
Developer.
Okay.
So just Chima. Sometimes people ask themselves, are there Ashantis and Achims? So, but through your watch, we are able to get an identity, a specified identity. With all what you achieve when I say a war, assassin. I'm saying, and also epidemic. There was some lapses, of course. Because Achim Domiabra. There was a big problem. The big problem, biggest problem is to be our issue. My person and benefit here.
Okay.
I Jansa to Domi Road.
Jansa to Domi Road.
Finally, it's so bad you have no idea. Finally, so bad it has been very, very bad for so many years. It's in the air can say Menyasa to talk through us and touch him watcher. The main person may kind of say, I'm making sure say about a boy. Now, yet what my happen through. After all, Sanjachim there. Me, I'm not talking politics because I'm gonna be a developer. But at least you're MPP government. And I don't force MPP about and this is the time I buy a bit in your show appreciation. Say, oh, what do you buy? Say, my research or mine. Now, say, your charity begins at home. Mother Roman will pay and I'm what do you buy? To what do you buy? At least, Kakra is a bit in my year. Who say, what to say, research or mine there? Most more coin Kakrano. Yeah, ma'am. Very, very important.
Sorry, honorable, but that's a Asante Achem Komona yede. Na wabwa Ghana mine, wabwa Asante mine. What you try crime baby. Sabri, against now be country, Union almost wabruchi. If I am well, so mobile Ghana.
She couldn't do her and a channel. And I was such a Tibia. Say, oh, that's the one out of Ghana, send a Tibia, Obians and Ghana. Be a big for how you Madame Fra Paradise. The banner with Romusoya. Let me think as I had me through my share. Send a TB and my nephew. If you said, you say, baby, and the year one, I said, baby, I'm told, I hold a yako. And to say, and my, your war, I didn't say, or my Ghana, a moo air deno. Your buffy.
Okay.
One more song free say, problems was saying, I did end any year. To the make can say, Obia office of Ghana or problems will have been or identify Kakra. Na Kakra with my Edia Bois, Edia Peja or Mano, Edia and Asson. Send a bear, Obia, be free, baby, Biano. Every who say, Ghana a place to go because Ghana was so many things to show. As I remember, the crew and Tatum Domiabra ye. Obiso Yanikumu, so many a year. This Yanikumu, Navrongo ye. Big Yanikumu, whole year. And in our Cassiania. That's one of the ways we get developed for mine.
What dear, Acha now to be out to me Buffy. They say, what for a look into the awful trotron. The Banians I'm showing him. Oh, as I'm touching one round.
As another course, our subject, because the cabby big a cry, a fat, and why a bit with the one.
Okay.
There were Anchrophobia group will be a friend of my Ghana about
OGB.
OGB. Now, the OGB can say, humbly, no, Obia Wabuch, be able to me, but the hour one unit currency, say, Eurozone, will be €1 or more.
Or more.
You can pay up to 100, but at least €1. $1 zone, $1.
$1. City zone.
City zone. na yɛmmoaboa no na yɛmfa nso Ghana mpuntuo emu. I know say ɛnyɛ biribi a ɛyɛ very very clear because of nneɛma ɛkɔ so wɔ ɔman mu so that you see corruption. Yes, but at least the idea has been born. Yɛn hwɛ ɔkwan obiara wɔ adagye obiara wɔ akɔ no so ɔbɛboa no. Ɔmɔden sɛ saa movement ɔde mu bɛgyim. Sɛ mpo akwankyerɛ de mímí deɛ mɛsɛ €1 that's $1 ne so a yɛn fa nkɔ bɛyɛ sɛ 10 because of the fees which is sika ɛwɔ ho most of also all different ideas fabra but sɛ bi kura fi sɛ o ade we ga yɛ bɛgye sika ori wa kodi ni ade ori wa kodi abra de fa sɛ bia na wo discount wa wo ni sika so na yɛn kan etiri mum na let's make it happen because in our society today it looks impossible. It's almost impossible. People have reasons to say no, where they say this. But let's make it happen. Together we can make it possible. And no, now you talk. And then you say, "Wait, man, I'm sure." And they pay my baby. A friend saying, "Kabehe," and I said, "Beye," and that's so beer. I'm not in Chirima. Now, but I'm saying, "Muhammad." Or try somebody there. They say the world has become a global village. Some more France Krana. You be also your Ghana be send more Hana. Meet me. In fact, some more France Krana. We take Ghana news. We have buy and bed this some few days. We now find news here. Sir, we take Ghana news. We take your question in and since I find your bumman, I'm not a choir. I'll come. The man as well. It doesn't stop me from serving my country because the Ghanaian committee in France Council, which is GASIF, it has done a lot of things and it keeps doing lots of things. Organization of Ghanaians abroad keeps working at COVID-19. At least, you to me any bank aside. As I say, from Emma, at least Ghana for. Nagopa ya adum, Emma a one penny, and then penny for you say. So I Ghana and I say ECOWAS 50 cities. But the president does it. Why are they? They said means that he's a listening president. Then better they can I found better they can say, oh, diaspora no. Sika remittance said the bomb mine and presented the second income for the nation. So we Busham got it in donations from left and right now. Diaspora then. They say we ask us to Obiba Buama Sabi. Why are you and this is the one that's why better income is much more reliable because you come then the bus why and your bush. Some of the bro now the cocoa seed dying, or she died. I won't found him in them. Now I'm quite a man of formations. Obi the taxi, Obi the investing, Nina a bomb mine. Then we can say there are several categories of Ghanaians and Wabuchi. Now Ghana for Omo Ghana nationality, Ghana passport. Now, you move $50 or airport. But beyond that, there's how Ghana forces were. Bibinti, Okuta foreign passport. I find a yaw. Your friend will a Mosi. Maybe I a friend of Bugre. Maybe a friend of say, a friend of watching. So, Sound of always saying, Waba, or the British passport, or the American passport, or the Roma, or Kofi, or Dawa. Or factories will have Nina bois. I'm a man of 2 people. Nina couple of Ghana diaspora. The Mikasa Sika, the Bano, a friend, the second income of the nation. Meaning Casa Ghana for passport on Crown. Let me Casa Ghana for a wabu. She say, good Ghana passport. Don't Ghana passport. Nina County, and the Maya, the second income for the nation. And I mean, I can even bet now, say, now we are the first. So, but the main one of the car. And remember, say, me now we feed the case. Extra man penny. Say, on program which means I am very clear because if you could American passport, with a British passport, how do you say, or no, they won't just say, not the other one just say, but the money, when you team here, or my penny energy, diaspora, which you know what diaspora affairs bureau over the office, to handle diaspora affairs, include Ghana for Ghana passport. So over here, they say homecoming. For American, or you're Ghana, and so yes, Omra. Yes. You're going to Omra. Now, no, your friend, your grandpa, and no one walk. I come with passport. I was a Yabia. I said, Bibinti. I go now, I friend saying, Swiss passport and I say that passport. Onu mo na on kan ti command ma. Onu wo ba na bushafo yin na wa.
Okay, yes.
Enti o mane kwadwo abna obenten be sire da be se. Ti be sure my pen say. $50 no ma Ghana for a passport etua for COVID test no. Ya dana se. Demo no. O ma entrance nyam pa okwa bia. Ya ma aya all inclusive.
Okay.
So be balance so to be justify. Say me Ghana ni de bia me be fie. Mo am de bu o man ni a. You ban ntwa sa ade ni. I get any street but you have to work it out.
Honorable, the chat talk already 1 minute. What job bushia wo fie? On krabai, ana wo de ma bushia ansa na we dey want to play kraka.
So Ghana for work.
Bushia wo de o mo fie.
Ni America try bushia me try catch ni na Ghana for nyina say. Ya na to da na yesu say man no kre. Na wi ase no o man no mu be ye kos ebekoyi a aban ne de a ebekọ kan. Ye so ya kan so. Enye famu de. Mo obi aba emu because abrabo so hwe empo Christopher if you Christo dress from Samri. Abrabo obi ani wa there's no part in history like I said you be our perfect
yes.
So until no say ina hu say abrabo no enye easy sir but abrabo no dey the war anka so wabo until obi anya ne famu de ebi na me ka say yem wane mpega Ghana ba ho enye Ghana ba ho so ho minimum gofo a omutimi ba ebesi hospitals no mo de ache obitimi ko ba bi na akwa nya hospital materials no de aba obitimi to ba so de ache school obitimi to school dan me asa be me no ka say me kan to me ho me aka say my school dan kwa de ache so ho there are so many things because me kan right me kasa about myself banya me nkwa na me yes ane man so me food enti obi a famu de adwuma kwa na wo na woni ska na adwuma na wo ya ye ne yi na kaka na wo ye no ene na me so me ye ne obenten so ye no ene ka so ye ne a be ma Ghana anya ne so.
Okay, amount for honorable Michael Osemensa, Gasif president and Oga president. Domiabra Asante Achim Domiabra this year pa on say Asante Achim so Asante Achim watch social media 5 minutes na kana de we kono yebon komo kakra ne adwendwene Ghana ho odo Ghana ye me na ada mre bia obafie be hwese ne masi ko na wo hwɛ mmoa obetimi de aboa waboa nso ama communities bebre ne atete e wa abrochire OGB also masene pa o my Ghana ba ko
the person me kan and say Asante Achim watch na wo ye no say bo abaso na Asante Achim ko bebre ehia na through this Asante Achim watch na wo ye no ema yetimi get closer through your watch you know we are able to get an identity, a specified identity, and they keep promoting us.
Okay.
Today there's Asante Achim
share chire ho ne enko Asante Achim weekend we no Abrantia sport e wa gogo e be boso dendenden wo fa dwa so so aye fra ba bi glass ho so boso dendenden ba bi e boso ona bo ye be da ase na wo kon so a woni nyame nko udu so me ente se wadu
ma ti be ja ka ni na me so next time ba fa me ko ho nyina
ma ti me do ko emre pa mo no amanfo ye be hia na asa abonkomo ya opi ya onie